of an unknown amount of horsepower right now, but Nissan says it will do 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. And better yet, it plugs in. You can drive green all you want, and has a total range of over 150 miles. Being very much a no-compromise vehicle when it comes to both performance and fuel economy, Nissan really decided that they didn't want any compromise at all. So when they started making this concept, they didn't start with a different platform, a 370Z. They really, created this vehicle from the ground up. This was an all-new platform, meaning there weren't any drawbacks. They didn't have to try and work around an internal combustion engine and take that out. They started right from the start with a bare chassis. Now, that's come with some unique attributes, allowed them to do some great things, putting the batteries low in the body. It's also come across some other interesting features, included in that are seats that are actually built into the rear bulkhead of the car rather than being movable. Fixed seats might sound like a bad idea for a lot of people, but you're able to adjust pretty much everything else in the cockpit, from the steering wheel to the pedals, and it really makes for a comfortable user environment. Now, Nissan certainly isn't saying anything about production capability in this vehicle, but it does look rather production ready. And